Well, it's Rich. Yeah, pretty good, thanks. Just been killed. Literally murdered by the government. Covered up by the government. Yeah, I've lived in abject poverty for an entire year, on $700 a fortnight or less, and my rent's $375 a week. So, yeah, I've been living it up and taking all the drugs people have been saying I've been taking. And apart from that, I lost. Former partner owes me $500,000. He's trying to hide. Yeah, he won't last. And yeah, I can't report to police murder, tax evasion, fraud, rape, drug trafficking, anything like that. And a conspiracy to pervert the course of justice has gone from the local to the state to the federal government, right up to the Prime Minister's offices. Yeah, it's true. And the Attorney General, she's awesome. Yeah, she condoned me losing over $1 million at the Australian Human Rights Commission. Yeah, that was pretty cool of her, because I actually asked her as well about my AFCA case, which they watched me burn for ages. And yeah, lost. I was trying to point that out, that they have a duty of care to look after people who are marginalised. But anyway, so they called me conspiratorial, can you believe it? And that's why they lock me up all the time. Yep, the police have the keys to the door, and they kicked it in. Nice policeman. So I can't report to the police. I've lost over $1 million at Australian Human Rights, and over probably $2 million at AFCA. And I'm just about to lose, another TPD case, because I have a brain injury. That's right, I forgot about that. And and so I would lose probably $1.5 million or $2 million there, because the government, having already killed me, have now got a 25-year experienced lawyer in the area of Comcare SRC Act legislation. It's amazing how it all works like clockwork, and how the Charter of Human Rights for people with a disability are absolutely, followed by everyone in public office. And everyone is legally bound to not act without that charter. And I love how everyone really respects me, gives me dignity and worth, and really values my humanity and my contributions to society. Because as a vagrant, I am a vagrant. Because I just actually got evicted, and I've got 10 days to get out, and I haven't got 1 cent. So yeah, things are going pretty good. Yeah, pretty chipper. Mo's going alright. Cancer's coming along really good. Brain injury's a bit fucked up. Just call it my brain fart. It's just a little thing. Lost all my blood. Found with no observable pulse and dead in a hospital. But there was nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. The Ombudsman even said so. They must be right. Anyway, apart from that, no family talk to me. All my friends are gone, and I just sit here with the dog in day to day, in and out, fighting the law. And I guess conspiracies to pervert the course of justice don't even exist. And I'm not the unwitting centre of it. Believe me, I'm not infamous or anything. And all the people on Facebook, they're all gagging to help me, you know. They just love to hear it's like porno for pyros, you know. It's like, oh, look at him now he's fucked, you know. But, you know, I'm still chipper, I'm still here, and I've still made my website killhim.info, where you'll see that all the absolutely undeniable evidence of malpractice, cover-up, of tax evasion, of all these crimes, and additionally conspiracy to my manslaughter, which would have been murder if only I hadn't have accidentally been found at the bottom of the loony bin shower, having no pulse and unresponsive. So life's pretty good. It's good to be on this side of the grass, and I'm looking forward to the next chapter of my life as an absolute fuck-eyed, character-assassinated scapegoat and a vagrant, and I'll probably die in the streets. It's nice to see you all, but if you did decide to invest in my justice, which I will get, because they can't hide forever. Hello, Krista, what are you doing? Oh, she's just getting the rats that live in the house. We're doing pretty good. So if you'd like to invest, you can go to killhim.info, and you can do the pay ID thing, you know. Chuck me a few bucks. Oh, I had some relatives. Bless my relatives. All my blood relatives have stood up for me. Because I'm not an easily exploitable person, being gay, having used drugs, and being a bit of a cockhound. Who doesn't like to root? I mean, there's 8 billion people on the planet. There's fucks going on all the time. But I don't mind a shag. I think I'm like Telstra. I just bring people together. Just one singular one at a time, or maybe 2 or 3. Anyway, Twitch signing off, and we love you, and we forgive you for being the cunt you are. And we look forward, Crystal and I look forward to you maybe, if you're generous enough, to throw us a gold nugget when we sit out front of the pokies at Flinders Street Clocks next week. That'd be awesome. Apart from that, you can go to killhim.info and you can invest in justice. That would be good. Otherwise, I don't know. Stiff shit. Good things happen to bad people and bad things happen to good people. And that's life. See ya.